Hey guys, welcome to our channel Travel with Sophia Jib, where we post about Canadian immigration. As you know from my previous video that we shortlisted two places. One was a two bedroom, 2+1 uh, apartment in an apartment building in Mississauga. Like that was on Bloor Street. We really liked that apartment, but somehow it was not coming within budget. And at this point in time, we really had to calculate and recalculate. The businesses are down. There are huge layoffs in each and every company because of this and the situation nowadays. So we really have to think, and we were looking at options cheaper than this as well, but unfortunately we looked at basements, but unfortunately even the basements are not that cheaper nowadays. I was not very enthusiastic to find a basement, because usually whatever basements that were fitting in our budgets were like, they were and the same like these where we are living. It's an underground basement, a walk-in basement, which we are currently living in, which does not allow a lot of sunlight to come in throughout the day. In the morning you will get a ray of light coming in from this window. This is our living room, as you all know from my videos, and we have almost similar kind of window in the kitchen. And in the bedroom, one of the bedroom has almost same window, and which is not very lit, so the bedroom is not very lit. But the second bedroom, which is the toy room, which has got a very big window, but even windows here are in the underground basement. Windows, they are covered by this silver shield, because they have to leave an open thing. This shield is important because so that the dust cannot come inside. Otherwise it would be all filled with dust. So this shield, it is like raised above the ground level to save it from dust and other dust and particles and other things and snow and everything. Coming back to the topic, I was not very eager to go for a basement, but then again, there were two. Luckily, we found a basement which was ground level basement with large windows and a door opening into the garden. So I was really, happy, and I really liked that basement apartment very much. So finally we got a call from the landlord, saying that, if you're interested, you can just come and do the paperwork, and we'll get it done. Like, we will take it forward. So what we have done, how we are shifting, is basically we called up the movers. We checked Facebook Marketplace. We found out the numbers, and we called a number of movers. One of the mover was charging $275 for 2 hours minimum. Now this new house is like 15 minutes from our current home. So it's just, what we have done, we have packed almost everything in cartons and suitcases. And my husband is like, or like, he's driving every day, almost every day, and he's doing two rounds, one during the afternoon, one during the evening or night time. And he's just going and he's dropping the stuff where they belong, like, the kitchen stuff cartons go in the kitchen, and the toys and the clothes, they go into the bedroom and the toy room, and like this. And he's just leaving the cartons there and suitcases there, and whatever he can, like for example, because it was just, it had to go in the car. So what I was doing, I was putting the clothes with the hangers inside the suitcases. I was lying them down, and my husband was just going, opening the suitcases in the new house, and he was just picking up those hangers and, just hanging them in the closets there. Every room there has a huge closet. I'll take you there in my next episode. I'll give you a home tour, and I'll show you how we've done. So we have made cartons, we have made boxes, everything. I made already made I made rice, I made one gravy, and I made breakfast as well. And so everything is like, now packed from the kitchen. So that when the movers come in tomorrow, they just have to pick up the big stuff. That is the bedroom set, the dining set, and the sofa set. Today is the moving day officially. When we move to our new home, saying bye bye to this house is not easy, because this was officially our first basement or first apartment in Canada when we landed here. For those who have not seen my apartment video tour, they can see, I'll put the link below. But for them, this is the living room as you enter, and this was the kitchen. And I loved my kitchen very much because it was huge as compared to the other basements in Canada. And this was the kids' bedroom, which we had turned into a toy room because the kids were used to sleeping with us. I just came to get the gloves and the wipes, alcohol wipes, in order to disinfect the whatever, like we're going to the new place, so in order to disinfect the counters, tables, just in case, you know, nowadays you have to be really, really precautious in everything. So the kids are already in the car, my husband is in the car, and I just came in to get the stuff and also to say bye bye to this home, because I doubt we are going to come in again, as my husband has to give the keys to the landlords probably tonight or tomorrow. So, and it is raining, the weather is beautiful. Going to our new home? Yeah, so you want to say bye bye to our old home?
Bye bye, home.
And are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you happy? Yeah? Will you say bye bye to the old house? Bye bye old house. So last day, in fact, it's the morning and it's raining. Right now it's 11 a.m. and we are going to our new house. So really, really excited. And my husband is going to drop the kids and me at the new place, come back and do the, yeah, with the help of the guys he's gonna do it, and he's gonna shift major stuff, like which is the bedroom. Yeah, so he'll shift the bedroom set, the dining set, and the sofas later. So now the whole new episode of unpacking starts after this. The movers here, they charge per hour, and so like they charge, and minimum they were starting with 275 to $350, and 275 was also after bargain. They were usually giving us 3 hours for $350, and they were supposed to, and they were also asking for help for assembling and disassembling of the furniture. So I mean 3 hours is more than enough, but still, you know, so we had to bargain for them to go for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, you know, to charge us. And then like, because we know the job is not that much, we just have a 1 bedroom set, and that's it. So after a lot of bargaining they agreed, so now they will do the stuff at around 12:30. So we've stopped at Tim Hortons right now just to get donuts and coffee, because, you know, we didn't have time to have breakfast. Although I don't really favor eating outside during these days because of the, you know, the disease. So that's why.
एक और है और वो हमारे घर के पास है Where am I, My Little Pony?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe there.
So basically, my husband has just dumped everything here at us, and he went as usual to bring the major stuff because the in the truck. So yeah. So we are sitting here and eating this shawarma platter from Osmond. Really spicy one. Still have to be assembled.